Hello and welcome everyone. It is Desiree and I am here with a Scrappy Tails reveal. I'm sure you have all seen this already through Sabrina's sneak peeks, but I just wanted to pop in so that you could see what the Polar Express kit is. It is absolutely amazing. So it comes in this box, so you can only imagine the size of this kit. The dies are available separately, but there are just a couple of items in here that are exclusive to this kit, and I will let you know what they are as we go through this kit. So let's just jump right into the reveal of what this comes with. Okay. So first up, you get Crank. It's awesome. So first up here is the paper pad. It's a 6 by 8.5 double-sided paper pad, and you have 24 sheets in here, and there's 12 designs, and you'll get 4 of each design. The cover shows you what those designs are, but let me real quick do a flip through. So we have those cute little teddy bears with presents. Of course, we've got to have some peppermint stripes. We have the Polar Express, some beautiful plaid. We have our characters, and then this beautiful snowflake dark blue. And what I like is with our paper pads, these are what the dies look like as well. The Happy Elves with another beautiful plaid. We have some green peppermint stripe and the gold North Pole all aboard train ride print as well. So that is the paper pad. This is one of the items that is exclusive to the kit. This is not available separately. Another item that is exclusive to the kit is the ephemera pack. She did an ephemera pack. This is awesome. And they are nice big pieces. There are small pieces. There's that little holly piece, and on the back, it shows all of them as well. But let's just dig in. Here's our ticket, North Pole Express, round trip, North Pole. So you can change what this end says if you want. We've got the train. We've got another part of a train. We have a different segment. And you get 2 of each of the designs. This is larger and it's reversed, which is awesome as well. And you can layer up your pieces as well if you want. Here are the Jolly Elves. You get one of your trains as well, the front of the train. Merry Christmas. Here's your smaller pieces as well. I mean, she just ranges right with the pieces. Here you get this postcard and this postcard. And then more small bits. And another train. And again, this is exclusive to the card kit. All right, so it is not available for separate purchase. Let's get into our dies. Lots of dies are in this kit. So start off, we have our characters in the window. So if I zoom in there, so you can make a snowman, an elf, Santa, and a reindeer. We get accessories for just the center train piece. So North Pole Express, some Christmas lights, the Christmas tree. Here we have our 3 happy elves. And again, all the layering pieces. I love the fact that the picture is on the back. So if you're ever worried about colors, what goes with what, just look at the back and you have plenty of inspiration there. The ticket. We've got the ticket. So lots of layers on here. Believe, all aboard, North Pole, admit 1, round trip, North Pole, train ride. And of course, this is what that will look like, depending upon your colors that you do. Love, love. Here is the center train. So there's the center piece. So you have the, the front, and then this is a piece that would go beyond. Here you have all the presents, all the layering dies. You have Merry Christmas. This is what that looks like. So again, perfect for that card. She's got a couple stamp sets, and what's great with the stamp sets, there's a stencil that coordinates. So here you would stamp this, and then you can line this up with it as well, these trees in these areas and your background. And then you've got the stencil that will color this. So you don't have to, do all of that coloring on your own. You can. But if you don't want, she's got the double stencils that will go right with that. So this is the Polar Express. And here is the other Polar Express image. So again, you line this up with this. Here's your background. And then here is the stencil to add the colors, not to the background, but just to the train, the bridge, the trees, and the moon. So it's perfect. Great combination. Easy to get your ink blend backgrounds right on the stamp. Here is another train. We'll call this the main caboose, or we can call it the end caboose. You have all of your embellishments. Here's those windows to add on to here. And that is what your train will look like. Here we have another train. All right. And that is what that will look like. And what's great is these are great for cards, and it's great because you can turn them into ornaments, because she's got the mechanisms here, and you can see the additional add-on pieces that you can add to that train. So if we look here, here's the Santa Claus there, and there he is. And these are all the pieces to embellish him. And then more pieces to the train to continue with the ornament, and then that is for this side as well. So lots of possibilities with this. I cannot wait to dive in. We are going to be doing multiple projects with this. Multiple projects. We are going to create cards, ornaments, all the fun stuff when it comes to these. So I hope you'll stay tuned. This will be coming out soon. It is available now in her shop, and it has been. It's a wonderful kit, excellent value. And if you're interested, I'll have a link to it down below if you wanted to check it out. But again, you can get the dies individually. You just cannot get the pattern paper or the die cuts. All right. So guys, stay tuned. I will see you in the next one. Continue to stay safe and healthy. Make sure you enjoy the process. Just have fun creating. And remember, always be creative. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Till then, take care.